political and disciplinary.
My name is Malcolm Benoit Rose. I am in top class. I am 5 years old. At this moment, allow me to present you a reading from the Holy Bible, taken from the book of Job, chapter 1, verses 13 up to 22. One day, when Job's children were having a feast at the home of their eldest brother, a messenger came running to Job. We were plowing the fields with the oxen, he said, and the donkeys were in a nearby pasture. Suddenly, the Sabians attacked and stole them all. They killed every one of your servants except me. I'm the only one who escaped. To tell you, before I had finished speaking, another servant came and said, lightning struck the sheep and the shepherds and killed them all. I'm the only one who escaped. To tell you, before I had finished speaking, another servant came and said, 3 bands of Charitian raiders attacked us, took away the camels, and killed them, and killed all your servants. Then Job stood up and tore his clothes in brief. He shook his head and threw his face downwards on the ground. He said, I was born with nothing and I will die with nothing. The Lord gave, and now he has taken away. May his name be praised. In spite of everything that had happened, Job did not sin by blaming God. Brethren, this is the word of the Lord. Brothers and sisters, are you worried, troubled, or desperate? Don't you have money for school fees or money for rent? Are you looking for a good husband or for a good wife? Maybe you will just start off your own life. Take everything to the Lord in prayer. This man Job from the Bible is a good living example. He suffered a lot but did not forget God. He kept on